Hello students, I am Archana Tiwari, your computer GK teacher of LPM Public School situated in Gola Bazaar. I hope you all are fine and good. So see here in previous video I already explain you chapter first and chapter second. Today I am going to explain you the chapter 3, that is what? More on keyboard mouse. More on keyboard mouse. See here, keyboard. Keyboard is an input device which is used to enter data and instructions into a computer. A standard keyboard has 104 keys. Keyboard is a input device and it is make use of what? It is used for entering data and instructions into a computer. A user or you gives data and instructions to a computer with the help of keyboard, and a standard keyboard has 104 keys. A standard keyboard has 104 keys. These keys are used to type. These 104 keys which are there on a keyboard is used to type letters, words, numbers, punctuation marks or any symbol on the monitors. Whatever symbols we require while typing, we can easily use on keyboard. We can everything available on a complete standard keyboard. Okay, with the help of that standard keyboard, that standard keys, we can easily you type anything. You can also give commands to a computer and play games using a keyboard. Even we can able to give commands, and also we can have to able to play games with the help of keyboard. By using keyboard, we can be able to play games. Are you playing games on a mobile? Yes. When you are playing game on a mobile, you are using the keypad, na? It's given on a mobile. Like that only when you are played games on a computer, you can be take the help of keyboard. You can take the help of keyboard. See here in info box, Sir Christopher Latham Souls invented the layout of keyboard in 1873. In 1873, who invented the layout of keyboard? Sir Christopher Latham Souls. Sir Christopher Latham Souls had invented the layout of keyboard in 1873. See here, keys on a keyboard. There are many keys on a keyboard. The first 6 letters of the alphabet keys are what? In first line, the first 6 letters of alphabets on a keyboard is what? That is Q, W, E, R, T and Y. These 6 letters are there in alphabet keys in the first 6 letters. Okay, that is why a keyboard is also known as, because of that first 6 letters of the alphabet keys on the keyboard is there, that is Q, W, E, R, T and Y. Because of that, the keyboard is also known as QWERTY keyboard. The keyboard is also known as QWERTY keyboard. The keys on a keyboard are used to perform different actions. Whatever the keys are available on a keyboard, we are take use to perform different types of actions. With the help of by using the different types of keys, we can easily do the different performance on the computer with the help of keyboard. So here next story, that is here alphabet keys. First we can go to learn about, there are many types of keys are there. For what you know which are there? Alphabet keys, number keys, special keys, toggle keys, navigation keys. Then any other keys are there on the keyboard. So we are going to learn first about the alphabet keys. First we can go to learn about the alphabet keys. There are 26 alphabet keys on a keyboard from A to Z. A to Z, there are 26 six alphabet keys on a keyboard. You know A to Z, how many letters are there in A to Z? 26. That all 26 letters are available. Alphabet keys in the place of keys, they are available on a keyboard. These keys are used to type. All these keys are used to type what? They are used to type letters, words, and sentence on the computer. It is used to type letters, words, sentence on the computer. Which keys are used to type letter, words, and sentence on a computer? Alphabet keys. We use alphabet keys. Then next is, that is number keys. See here, that is number keys. Number keys include all the digits from 0 to 9. Number keys include all the digits from 0 to 9. From 0 to 9, all the number keys are there available on the number key. That is what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Clear? All these number keys are included, all the digits from 0 to 9. These keys are 10 in number. These keys are 10 in number. If we count from 0 to 9, it will be 10 in number, right? These keys are used to enter numbers, and these number keys are used for entering the numbers. Used for entering the numbers on a computer. There are two sets of number keys on a standard keyboard. On a standard keyboard, we have two sets of number keys. We have two sets of number keys. One set is present right above the top row. See here, in the figure 3.1 is given. See, one set is present right above the top row. एक जो नंबर कीज आपका होता है वो राइट साइड के अबव के टॉप राइट में अवेलेबल होता है. ओके, वो कहाँ पे? जैसे कि अल्फ़ाबेट कीज होते हैं ना बेटा, वेयर द अल्फ़ाबेट कीज आर देयर ऑन दैट टॉप ऑफ द रो द नंबर कीज आर अवेलेबल. And the other set of number key is present on the right hand side of the keyboard, and the another number keys is present on which side? It is on our right hand side of the keyboard. This group of number keys known as numeric keypad. The other set of number keys which is present on the right hand side of the keyboard, this group of number keys is known as the numeric keypad. See, it is shown in the figure 3.1. Okay, numeric keypad. So it is known as the numeric keypad. Note, in laptop, number keys are present only at one place. If you have laptop at your home, you can see in laptop only at one place only the number keys are present. Okay, in keyboard number keys are present in two sets, but in laptop only one place only. It's only one set of number keys are present at one place. That is which place? Above the top row of the alphabet keys. Alphabet keys, the top of the alphabet keys, the number keys are present. Come to the third one, that is special keys. That is what? Special keys. In special keys there are many keys. For example, I will say you enter key, spacebar key, shift key, control key, backspace key, delete key. These 6 types of keys are there in special keys. These 6 types of keys are there in special keys. First, I am going to explain you about the enter key. In enter key, pressing the enter key moves the cursor to the next line. With the help of enter key, if we want to move our cursor to the next line, we take the help of enter keys. With the help of enter keys, we can easily move the cursor to the next line. This key is also used to send instructions and commands to the computer. Enter key is also used for what? for sending the instructions and commands to the computer. By the help of enter key, we can also send instructions and commands to the computer. Now next, second is space bar key. Second is space bar key. It is used to give a blank space between letters, words or numbers. It is the longest key on a keyboard. Space bar is a longest key on a keyboard, and we take use of that. It helps us to give blank space between letters. It helps us to give blank space between letters, words and numbers. Between letters, words or numbers. Third one, that is shift key. Third one is shift key. Shift key is always used in combination with other keys. Shift key is used with combination. With the shift key, we use another keys also. We using two keys in the combination, and then we use that keys. Shift key is always used in combination with other keys. Shift key is always used with the other keys. It appears twice on a keyboard. It appears twice on a keyboard. The shift key is used towards here. First, type alphabet in capital if caps lock key is off. We used to type alphabets in capital. If caps lock is off, we take the help of shift key and the combination of caps lock. We can type the alphabets in capital. Then we type symbols and punctuation marks printed on the upper side of some keys on a keyboard. Even if when we are typing or writing anything on a key with the help of keyboard on a monitor, we want to be any symbol or any punctuation marks printed, we can take help with shift key and the other combination key, and we can type symbols and punctuation marks printed on the upper side of some keys on a keyboard. Some keys are written upper sides में we can easily take that the any keys, and with the help of that we can easily type the symbols and punctuation marks. Then third one is completed. Now next, fourth, that is control key. For control key in keyboard, it is written as shortcut of control, that is CTRL. The shortcut of control is CTRL. Like shift key, control key is also used with other keys. Shift key, same as the shift key, control key is also used with the combination of other keys. It is used to give commands to a computer. Control key is used to give commands to a computer, and it also, like a shift key, it is used with the combination of other keys. Here now fifth one, that is backspace key. That is what? Backspace key. This key is used, that is what? Backspace. Backspace key is used to erase anything typed to the left of the corner. Typed to the left of the cursor. Backspace key is used to erase anything typed to the left of the cursor. When we are typing on a computer, on a monitor, if there is some mistake, if there is some wrong, it will be happen. With the help of backspace key, we can easily erase. Okay, by pressing the backspace key, we can easily erase anything what are typed on the screen. We can easily erase anything which are typed on the screen, okay, to the left of the cursor. Always we go on the left of the cursor. Okay, for backspace we always go back to the left of the cursor. Then see here, this is the last special key, sixth one, that is delete key. That is what? Delete key. Delete key erases anything typed to the right of the corner. Backspace key erase anything typed to the left of the cursor, and the delete key erase anything typed to the right of the cursor. Clear to all of you? Backspace key is used to delete anything to the left of the cursor, but delete key is used to erase anything that is typed to the left of the that is typed to the right of the cursor, that is used to type to the erase anything typed to the right of the cursor. So this we have today learn about three types of keys, that is alphabet keys, number keys and special keys. And in next video I will explain you about the toggle keys, navigation keys and other keys. So for today this much only. Take care. Thanks to listening me, and take care yourself. Stay home safely. Bye.